Alright guys, Captain Keto here, how's it going? As promised, today is January 15th on a Tuesday. It is officially 2 weeks since I started keto. This is the official weigh-in. Sorry about the finger there, guys. Just so you guys know, don't expect a big loss, because the first one I already knew it was going to be, but it's mainly water weight. And then, sorry about the close-up, after that, we'll start being weight. So yes, water weight is weight, don't get me wrong, water weight is weight, but this coming up weight is what I'm looking to burn, the actual fat. Alright guys, let's turn her on. Maybe?
Hello.
There she is.
Please step on the scale.
Alright guys, so $3.99 still. So like I said, not to be expecting any kind of weight loss. I was told by my mentor that after the water weight goes off, it is harder to burn weight. So I'm not going to let that... Oh, sorry about the shake in there, guys. Usually I have stability on. I think I have it off. Sorry about that. So what I think is going to happen is, of course, I'm not going to get down and out about it. I still didn't gain no weight. I didn't lose no weight. And I'm okay with that. I do want to lose this weight, but as long as I'm not gaining weight, I'm alright. What I plan probably on doing is maybe cutting back on some of my fats now that I'm 2 weeks in. My body should be fat adapted. I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't be. My ketones are there, everything is there. So I think I'm going to cut back on the fat a little bit. That way I'm not eating so many calories. I know in my last video I said I was going to start intermittent fasting. But I was also told by my mentor that you should not do that until you get about 4 weeks under your belt. So yeah, I guess that's out the question for at least 2 more weeks anyway. Alright, so this is where the video usually ends, and this is where we're going to continue, because it's important that people understand that just because you don't lose weight doesn't mean you're not doing what you're supposed to do. From the people I've talked to the research I've done, there are going to be weeks, and I do mean weeks, guys. This is a year process. This is a lifetime after that. There's going to be weeks you guys don't gain weight, you don't lose weight. Don't get discouraged, guys. It is what it is. Just find out what it is that's happening, or what's causing it, and cut it. Like right now, I've had, to be honest with you, I think a couple days I had low-carb tortillas to have pizzas. I'm going to cut those tortillas out for the next week and see how my weight loss goes. If it's not that, then I'm going to go over and I'm going to look. I don't have many fat bombs at all, but once in a while I do have a fat bomb. I'm going to cut those. I'll see if that's what it is. And then that's how you do it, guys. You do it one thing at a time for a week. If it's not what it is, then cut another thing until you find out, oh, that's the item that's keeping me from losing weight, and then cut it from your diet. It's that simple, guys. It really honestly is. Don't get down on yourselves. Don't give up. Keep going. I promise you, you will lose the weight. I'm losing the weight. My mentor has lost a bunch of weight. Many people are losing weight on this diet, guys. So don't get discouraged on one day or 1 week. And I also, the only reason I'm weighing every week for the first month, I won't be doing this after the January, is because, you know, for the videos, for you guys. I want you guys to see my journey. After that, I will be going to once a month. So that's important to remember. Don't expect every Tuesday for a weigh-in. Alright guys, it will still be on a Tuesday. It will just be at the end of the month instead of, well, it might be at the beginning. I have to decide on that one. So that's my story for today. The moral of the story is, don't get discouraged, guys. Don't ever give up. Just keep pushing forward. Find out what's happening with your body. Listen to your body. If you're hungry, eat. If you're not, stop. Your body is going to tell you what it needs and what it wants. If something is giving you heartburn, stop eating it. Your body is telling you that it does not like it. Alright guys, if something's giving you an upset stomach and you know what it is, that you ate something, stop eating it. Your body is telling you it does not want it. Alright, it's important to listen to your body, guys. I mean, look at me. I'm almost 400 pounds. I was over 400 pounds when I started this. I know what I'm talking about, guys. Your body is telling you. It told me for years, and I never listened. Alright guys, I know this got a little bit more deep. I know we went a little bit further than what we usually do, but I think it's important to learn things here and there, and I think I'm going to add these more into my videos. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, so as always, if you are on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button down below. Click the bell notification so you're notified anytime one of my videos comes out. Please hit the thumbs up, show me some love, and go over to Facebook. Join my Facebook group. It's A Keto Life for Us. Once again, it's A Keto Life for Us. I'll have a link down in the description. If you're on Facebook watching this, please hit the thumbs up, show me some love. Go over to YouTube and subscribe to Captain Keto. Alright guys, once again, that's Captain Keto. Alright, so y'all have a wonderful day, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.